We're a wholesale distributor of homewares and giftwares. We have been going for 11 years now. My wife Kim, who is a fellow director in the business, she's the designer of our own Splosh brand. We've got 2,300 square metres in the dispatch centre. Our goal is to be able to dispatch 100 orders a day. We generally find that each order is made up of at least 100 pick items in that. To achieve that 100 pick slips, we have 10 staff. We're a Monday to Friday operation, 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. So I've always had a philosophy, if you can't get it done Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, you're doing something wrong. 3 years ago, when we first started dealing with RFBS, we found that we could grow the business, but our actual physical picking and packing process was limiting us. We wanted to just do it smarter and better, and we found there was a lot of technology out there that could let us do that. It was just finding the right technology that suited our process.
They had gone through some initial expansion and needed to change the way they were doing business. After doing an evaluation of the site, we decided that Vocollect was the way to go. The picking process with Vocollect matched exactly what they were trying to achieve.
When it came to actually transitioning to voice, it was very quickly. I was surprised. It was a matter of days.
Ready?
We'd done a few practice picks and they said, okay, we're good to go.
5, 4, 6.
Pick 3.
3.
We're mostly Australians and New Zealanders. Once they do their voice template, it understands the way they say 6 and 8 and any other words they have.
9, 6, 7.
Pick 1.
1.
It really hasn't been a problem for any demographic or individual personality. They've all been concerned about, oh, this looks interesting and difficult, but as soon as they put the headset on, they realise it's very straightforward. The commands are easy.
Position 5. Product check digit.
225.
Pick 2.
2.
The possibility of error is minimal, so they're very comfortable with it. They're not afraid of the technology because it's not overwhelming.
The team on the floor has responded really well. Using the headset, it enables them to focus more on the task at hand because they're listening to directions and not having to read them. Freeing up of the hands is a big thing in the warehouse when you're pulling lots of stock. The picking sequence is set up that you start at one side of the warehouse and it takes you through the warehouse to the different rows and to where the products are to the other end of the warehouse, so you're not doubling back.
Product check digit.
677.
Pick 3.
3.
The biggest benefit is that it's a far more accurate guided picking application. The old RF, you know, you could send them to an area and the picking location was quite a broad area, whereas with the new Vocollect it uses a much more accurate and detailed location, so you can take them directly to the product. We've been very impressed with just how user-friendly it is and how quick it is for both existing and new staff to get up and running with the technology. Productivity has certainly improved just by simplifying our dispatch process. Less to-ing and fro-ing between the office and the factory. They're getting the pick job done a lot quicker with a lot less fuss and a lot less communication between the factory and the office. The nice thing about the Vocollect is it has the capability to support batch picking, a lot of small orders in the one run through the warehouse. It's exciting that we can use the technology for more than one task and more than one area. We can use it for receiving in containers and unpacking the containers. They never put it on thinking, gee, I hope this works today. It works every time.
824.
Pick 3.
3.
We've been dispatching Christmas volumes and asking ourselves, what's going on? This is all too easy.